students, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. There are many videos lined up to learn. So to learn more, please subscribe my channel. In this video, we will see something about polynomials. Now what are polynomials? In mathematics, a polynomial is an expression consisting of variables, also called indeterminates, and coefficients that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative integer exponents of variable. A polynomial looks like this. See, in this 4xy square plus 3x minus 5. This is a polynomial which are having 3 terms. Polynomials comes from poly, meaning many, and nomial in this case means term. So it says many terms. A polynomial can have constants like 3, minus 20 or half. Variables like x and y. Exponents like the 2 in y square, but only 0, 1, 2 and so on are allowed. That can be combined using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, except not division by a variable. So something like 2 upon x is write out. Polynomial or not. See, in this case it is 5xy square minus 3x plus 5y cube minus 3. There are 4 terms in this polynomial. So it is a polynomial. But 3xy minus 2 is not a polynomial. Why? Because it is minus 2. Exponent with negatives are not a polynomial. Here it is 2 upon x plus 2. This is also not a polynomial because we can't divide with a variable. See the examples of polynomials. 3x, x minus 2, minus 6y square, minus 79x. 3xyz plus 3xy square z plus 0.1xz minus 200y plus 0.5. 512 v raised to 5 plus 99 w raised to 5. 5. Yes, 5 is a polynomial. One term is allowed and it can be just a constant. These are not polynomials. For example, 3xy raised to minus 2 is not because the exponent is minus 2. Exponents can be 0, 1, 2 and so on. 2 divided by x plus 2 is not because dividing by a variable is not allowed. 1 upon x is not either. Root x is not because the exponent is half. See fractional exponents. But these are allowed. X upon 2 is allowed because you can divide by a constant. Also 3x upon 8 for the same reason is allowed. Root 2 is allowed because it is a constant that is equals to 1.41 and so on. Now there are 3 terms which are there in the polynomials: monomial, binomial and trinomial. So let's see them in detail. These are the special names for the polynomials with 1, 2 or 3 terms. So for example 3xy square. In this only one term is there, that is 3xy square. So it is a monomial. 5x minus 1. Here the 2 terms are there, so it is binomial. Here 3x plus 5y square minus 3. There are three terms here that is known as trinomial. It is same as monomial, monocycle, bicycle or tricycle. Now the variables. Polynomials can have no variable at all. For example, 21 is a polynomial. It has just one term, which is a constant. Or one variable. For example, x raised to cube minus 2x square plus x has three terms but only one variable, that is x. Or two or more variables. For example, xy square minus 5x square z has two terms and three variables, x, y and z. What is a special about polynomials? Because of the strict definition, polynomials are easy to work with. For example, we know that if you add polynomials, you get a polynomial. If you multiply polynomials, you get a polynomial. So you can do lots of additions and multiplications and still have a polynomial as the result. Also, polynomials of one variable are easy to graph as they have smooth and continuous lines. Let's see the example of this. X square minus 2x square plus x. Now this is a smooth line which is there and a continuous line. Now what is the degree? The degree of a polynomial with only one variable is the highest exponent of that variable. For example, 4x cubed minus x plus 3. The degree is 3, the largest exponent of x. Now what is the standard form? The standard form for writing a polynomial is to put the terms with the highest degree first. For example, put this in a standard form. The question is 3x square minus 7 plus 4x cubed plus x raised to 6. The highest degree is 6. So that goes first, then 3, 2 and then the constant last. So we have to arrange that. The answer is x raised to 6 plus 4x cubed plus 3x square minus 7. So this was all about polynomials, the types of polynomials, the words which are used in the polynomials. I hoped you got all the information about polynomials. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.